Have you noticed how faceless fitness channels are taking over YouTube? They're pulling in millions of views using nothing but smart storytelling, sleek animation, and creativity. Take Yellow Dude, for example. He has over 1.23 million subscribers and 49 million views, all from teaching fitness through calisthenics. Then there's Captain Workout, with 264,000 subscribers and about 22.96 million views. What makes these channels stand out is their approach. They make workout videos simple, visual, and easy to understand. I'll walk you step by step through how to build a similar channel, starting with choosing your niche and title, then creating your character and animations, editing for retention, and finally designing scroll-stopping thumbnails. And the best part, we'll do it all using AI tools. So if you're passionate about fitness and ready to build a YouTube channel that stands out, let's dive in before this trend blows up. The first step is coming up with strong video ideas. To do that, you'll need a reliable chatbot and the right prompts to get started. For this demo, I'll be using ChatGPT. You need to copy and paste the first prompt. I want to start a faceless fitness YouTube channel similar to Captain Workout. Give me 10 trending topic ideas for my videos. ChatGPT will give you 10 trending video topic ideas for a faceless YouTube channel that match the Captain Workout vibe. Alright, now it's time for the title. And remember, your title is your first impression. If it doesn't grab attention, no one's going to click, no matter how good your video is. The truth is, your title formula matters just as much as the workout itself. So here's a simple technique to help you write viral fitness titles. Pick a problem, choose a hook, make it personal, add curiosity, keep it short and clear. Now I'll paste my second prompt. Write a title for this topic. Insert topic. Using this formula, pick a problem, choose a hook, make it personal, add curiosity, keep it short and clear. And ChatGPT will write the title following this formula. Now that we have our title, it's time for the next step, writing the script. This part is much easier because you're just delivering on the promise you made in the title. This is where ChatGPT helps. Here's the simple framework you can use. 1. Strong emotional hook. Start your video with something that instantly grabs attention and connects emotionally. Use a powerful question, a surprising fact, or a relatable problem that makes viewers think. Reframe the problem, show a new perspective by saying, "You've been doing X, but the real key is Y," to reveal the real reason behind the problem and spark curiosity. Step-by-step framework. Give a clear numbered set of actions viewers can follow. Keep each step short, show how to do it, and state the result. Add a quick demo or visual for each step so it's easy to copy. Motivational mini summary. After each step. After every step, add a short, uplifting message to keep viewers motivated and remind them they're making progress. Now I'm going to paste my last prompt into ChatGPT. By structuring your prompt this way, you're not just asking for a generic script. You're directing ChatGPT to think and write like a professional scriptwriter. To make your script even more powerful, you can include the transcript of a viral video and ask ChatGPT to use it as a reference while crafting your own version. This is the script I generated, but be sure to adapt it in your own words. And remember, having some background knowledge in fitness will always make your content stronger. Once that's done, the next step is to create your voiceover. For this, I'll be using 11 Labs, an AI tool that makes realistic voices in seconds. The best part is it offers free voices you can use to make your video for little or no cost, and you can even create custom voices. Now choose your preferred voice. I'll go with this one. Then paste in your script. Once the audio is ready, listen to it to make sure it sounds right.
To work your whole core, upper, lower, and obliques, you only need 3 exercises. That's it. Start with cable crunches to target your upper abs. You can also use a crunch machine or a decline bench with a plate.
If you're happy with it, hit download. And that's it. Now we have our voiceover ready. The next step is to generate all the images we'll need. First, let's create a brand new character for our videos. I've found an easy way to do this. Look here, you have your competitor's character. What we're going to do is take a screenshot of that character. After that, it'll be Nana Banana turn. Here's how it works to save time. We'll download the character, make the body a bright electric blue, add matte details to the shorts, and in just a few seconds, my character will be ready. As you can see, I've got my character, but I'm going to make a few more changes. Remove the black paint from the arm and add the letter K to the wristband. It's honestly looking so good. To create workout photos, just upload a picture of your character and the workout image you want, then add this prompt. The character in the first image is performing the exercise shown in the second image, and that's all. By following this simple method, you can easily create all the images you need for your video, keeping it visually engaging and consistent from start to finish. You can also make any modifications you want with ease. Simply upload an image as a source and paste a clear, specific request for what you'd like to change. The banana image model is amazing for creating consistent character images. It's also very easy to use when you only want to change the character's position instead of the entire image. And that's all. Now the next step is to put everything together in an editing tool. I use CapCut, but before starting the actual editing, I remove the background in Photoshop. Just open a new project, upload your character, and click on Remove Background. Once the image is clean, export it, and that's it. And if you don't have Photoshop, no worries. You can always use a free background remover online. All right, now open CapCut and import all your assets, the images and your voiceover audio. Place the audio and background on the timeline, then stretch the background to match the length of your video. Listen carefully and match the visuals to the narration step by step. Adjust the size and position of each character based on when they appear in the sequence. Now, go to the animation section, click In and then Out. I'm using 2 animations for an image, so I'll scroll down to pick the right one. And in the same way, I apply the animation to all the characters. Then go to the Effects section and type Shake in the search bar. Once you find it, drag and drop the effect onto your character clip. You can adjust the intensity and speed of the shake in the settings to match the movement you want. This effect adds a dynamic vibration that makes your character look more energetic or excited. Now let's move on to the sticker section. Here I'll choose a shape sticker to highlight or define a specific part of the body. Finally, watch your full video from start to finish. If you're happy with it, click Export.
To work your whole core, upper, lower, and obliques, you only need 3 exercises. That's it. Start with cable crunches to target your upper abs. You can also use a crunch machine or a decline bench with a plate. Just make sure you're bending through your spine, not flinging your arms around.
The next step is your thumbnails, because on YouTube, nothing else matters if people don't click. What gets the click? Your title and your thumbnail. Your title makes the promise, and your thumbnail proves it. Now there are a few golden rules. The foundation of every viral clickable thumbnail. 1. Keep your text short, 3 words max for instant impact. 2. One subject, one emotion. Clarity beats clutter. 3. Use strong contrast. Make it pop on any screen. 4. Match your visual to the title, improve the promise, and spark curiosity. Now go back and create your thumbnail. Just open Canva and set a custom size for your YouTube thumbnail. Upload your video images and position your character in a before and after layout, or use a dynamic pose that visually proves your title. Use shapes and arrows. Add simple elements like circles or arrows to highlight key areas and guide the viewer's eye. Click text, add heading, type 2 to 3 bold words in caps using a strong font like Anton or Babas Neue. Finally, click Share in the top right corner, select Download, choose PNG as the file type, and click Download to export your image. That's it. This way, you can create a professional faceless training video using AI tools step by step. You can also develop your own unique style that attracts attention and keeps viewers engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.